everybody, my name is Elle, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to draw a hamburger step by step, so please enjoy. The first step of drawing a hamburger is the top bun. Start at one point and draw a rainbow-shaped curve. Next, at the bottom, connect them both with a dull curve. Now, do some shading to add a realistic effect. Don't forget to blend it in. After that, erase any shading outside of the line. If you want to add sesame seeds, here's how. Draw raindrop-shaped dots, starting at the top of your bun, spreading out. And that's your bun. The next step after making the top bun is the lettuce. Start by the side of your bun and move out a bit. Create a curvy pattern sticking out from under your bun. Next, outline the lettuce with some shading. The last step is the cheese. It's very simple. Start from the lettuce and draw down a bit. Then draw up diagonally and stop about here. Keep drawing straight and stop at any lettuce. Then continue on the other side. Draw back up to the top. Next, do some light shading on the edges of the cheese. The fourth step is the patty. Start by drawing a wide line under the cheese for the patty. Next, outline it with some shading. Add some dots for more texture. Now blend it in. The last step is the bottom bun. Simply start at the tip of the cheese and draw down from there. Stop in the middle and repeat on the other side. Meet them in the middle. Now do some shading around the bun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye!